Welcome to Locate Management. Locate Management's online damage prevention courses provide individuals with the necessary knowledge to promote safety and prevent damage to the underground infrastructure as per regulatory requirements and industry best practices. Locate Management is an education, training, and assessment service provider for the ground disturbance and line locating communities. Our Safe Digging Ground Disturbance course is aimed at developing supervisory level ground disturbance and excavation knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Our courses utilize 3D modeling, animated videos, graphic images, and pictures that provide realistic perspectives of this complex underground infrastructure. Locate Management believes that workers must be educated, trained, and competent to work in this ever-increasingly complex infrastructure. Stakeholders including buried facility operators, ground disturbers, and homeowners should always call or click before you dig and follow the proper safe digging process, which includes defining the ground disturbance and adhering to legislation, utilizing a ground disturbance checklist and reviewing relevant documentation, placing a locate request and identifying worksite hazards and controls, ensuring all facilities are located and marked, and obtaining locate documentation, contacting operators before hand exposing facilities, and identifying and inspecting exposed facilities, protecting infrastructure, maintaining facility services, and safeguarding workers in and around excavations, backfilling the excavation with caution and restoring the worksite. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at locatemanagement.com for more information.